Hey guys, it's Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a last minute shirt for my niece. She literally called actually she didn't call, she texted me and was like, can you do me a really big favor? I need a shirt for school tomorrow. So they are having, what do you call it, Spirit Week, and tomorrow is White Lie Day. So she wants a white lie on her shirt, and she has this ongoing thing about her hair being purple and it's actually green. It's a whole long story, but anyway, that's what she wanted. But I happened to see this girl because I personally wanted to put like an afro puff on her shirt, but I couldn't find like a girl with just one puff. So I saw this one, and my niece also wears glasses, so I was like, oh, this would be cute. And so I'm going to see what she thinks, but we'll see. So I'm just using the background remover tool to clear out all of the spaces that I want cut out. And you can use that background remover tool. There's also the eraser tool, and then you can also just crop. But for this, the eraser tool, actually background remover tool, is the best one. So when you're uploading a design like this, be sure to use that zoom in and zoom out tool so that you can get every little piece. And you can always, preview it when you press apply and continue. It'll take you to that preview area, but you can also click the preview area that's right above where the picture is as well. So this is a cut image, and so I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to upload it that way. If you were to use printable vinyl, you would do a print then cut image. You would print it as is, and then it would basically just cut out the very outer edge instead of cutting all of those lines. So in order to resize this, I'm just going to go to that size box and change it to about 4 inches just to quickly resize it, because if you use those little arrows, it will just take way too long. Now I'm going to get to what she actually asked for, which on her shirt she wanted my hair is purple. Now she didn't ask for this girl to be on here. I just saw it and I thought it was cute. So I actually, after, getting the words the way that I wanted them, sent her a screenshot of it and asked her what she thought. And she was like, yeah, no, I don't want that on my shirt. So I end up deleting it and just going with what she asked for, the words, my hair is purple. I wanted the word purple to stand out, so I'm going to use a different font for purple. But, when you're doing your designs, feel free to be as unique as you want to be as creative as you would like. You can do them all in one font. You can do each word in a different font. You can do each word in a different color. Feel free to play around with design space before you actually cut anything, because you just have the freedom to do so without ruining vinyl, and see what you like, because there are just so many options. Now, for some reason, when I resized this, the box got bigger, but like the words itself or the word itself was not really adjusting in size, and there was just space around the word purple, and I couldn't figure out like how to like undo that. So I ended up having to delete it and then go back and retype it again because yeah, that was weird. So here I just select the word purple and I changed the color to purple. So the purpose of doing that really is to sort it into separate mats. This cannot, of course, it's not like a printer where you can print something a certain color. You just will use that color vinyl. So yeah, it's my plan to print, not to print, to cut the word purple on purple vinyl and to cut my hair is on black vinyl. So that's why I have it that way. And so when you select make it, it's going to sort them separately on different mats. And it's just like an organization thing to help you remember, what goes on what color vinyl. And now I'm just going and making sure that I have it at the size that I want it and that it fits on the garment. My niece is like an extra small, so it doesn't need to be super wide. So 7 inches or 7.5 inches fits good across her chest. So you always want to, if you can, measure the space that you have on your garment that you're going to be ironing onto, because while 7.5 inches will look good on a size small or extra small, if you got somebody that is getting a shirt that's a 2X, you will likely want that to be bigger. So always, if possible, use a ruler, or you can guesstimate if you need to, but try to do it according to the size of the material that you're using. So now our design is sorted into 2 mats. We are doing iron on, so we're going to make sure to mirror each mat. don't forget to mirror your second mat. And so while it was my plan to cut that first part on the black vinyl and the word purple on the purple vinyl, it didn't work out. So the first time the vinyl wouldn't stick to the mat. The second time I had it set on cardstock, so it cut through. The third time I had the wrong color with the wrong words, and it was just a hot mess, but we settled on this. So today I'm not using my big press. I'm actually going to be using my Cricut Easy Press, which I haven't used it in a while, so I was like, let me use that today. But yeah, so I settled on using the My Hair Is in purple and the word purple in a black vinyl. I know it's backwards, it's crazy, but actually my niece chose to do it that way based on the trials I was having. But that's going to be the final design. When you are doing this, make sure your design is straight, that it's aligned properly, because once you press that thing down, good luck trying to get it off. So yeah, make sure you have it right, and feel free to keep, lifting it up, looking at it from a different angle if you need to, so that you have it right. Now my Easy Press is set to 375, and that's based on the vinyl that I am using. So always read your packaging for your vinyl to make sure you have it right. This is little Olivia. She was trying to be in the video. She had to go. So I press this for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then you'll see me basically just iron the bottom of the shirt so that it's just not so wrinkled. So here is the final product. Quick, easy, simple, and hope you guys enjoy it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
Give us a subscribe, hit that button.